Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on YouTube, where we show you the china being listed on the website currently. And these two pieces are being listed as a set. They are Aynsley. They date from the mid-1930s, and the pattern is one called Queen's Garden. Now, what's unusual about these two is the turquoisey blue background colour that Aynsley have used on this. And you do see Queen's Garden in a variety of different colours. It's a grey and white transfer pattern, which is then hand coloured with very bright gilt around it. Just look at the milk jug here, a very stylised drop urn design with large bulbous top and this lovely wide lip, and then the handle decoration. Just look at the leaf scroll-like decoration that the decorators have applied. Period Aynsley china marks. The pattern reference on here is 35090, as you can see there, and it's in near mint condition. The little sugar bowl or sugar basin here, pedestal footed, again really beautifully decorated. This powdery turquoise blue, it's a very difficult one to describe this and get across, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Works very well with the grey pattern around the rims, again matching period base marks on there, and the inner wall decoration on the sugar basin, just absolutely gorgeous. Two blocks of the Queen's Garden decoration with the glass houses and the floral hand coloured and enamels, which are palpable on here. You can feel these enamels that have been applied by the decorators. Gilt condition on both pieces is absolutely superb. Now, we do have a set of trios in teacups and saucers, and I think some spare saucers and some spare side plates in this. Just let me get these fully in view for you to get a feel for them. So these two are being sold as a set, combined as two. Date's 1934. We know that from the china marks that we've shown you. That was only used for a very short period of time by Aynsley, so it's beautifully marked for dating purposes. And this is the sugar bowl and half pint milk jug. All the measurements, and if you'd like to find out details on pricing and further details on these two pieces, do follow the links below, which will take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website, where these two pieces are now going on sale. Thanks for watching.